We're here at American Heritage School's Broward campus to talk about STEM in education. We hear a lot about it, but we're going to focus today on mathematics and engineering and what they're doing here at American Heritage, which is different from many other places where it's more student-driven and they literally carve out their own path to success. What makes STEM different here at American Heritage?
I think you can look around in this facility and you can get a sense of what makes it different. It's very hands-on. It's not a school day program, it's an all-year program. We start in elementary school, we have summer camps. A lot of the students that matriculate into our school actually started here in summer camp. Very hands-on. We teach a college level and beyond curriculum, but we also have the facilities where the kids can learn how to implement the strategies and what they're learning out of a book. They can implement it and see how it applies in real life. And not only do we have incredible staff, but we have parents that work in engineering fields that come in to support our program. The curriculum is amazing, the facilities are amazing, but also the hands-on approach and the availability of our staff that give back and don't punch a clock. You know, they're here in their time on the weekends during the summer working with the students. So it's the whole package. We start in elementary where our pre-K-3 students get access to concepts of engineering at a very high level where they can go into computer science labs and start programming and understanding concepts. We help students identify areas of education that they love, and if they love it, it's going to be a lot easier for them to be successful. And then as they move through our curriculum and move into junior high, they can do robotics clubs after school, high school after school. They travel with the robotics teams, and then they can understand if it's something they want to do when they go to college. And then what ends up happening when they go to college is they know they love it. So they have the knowledge because they've been working at a high-level curriculum that's not limited to what high school students can do. There's no ceiling. So they get exposure to it, then they go off to college and they can take high-level classes that they've already been exposed to and they know what they want. And I always like to tell families two things make you successful in college: knowing what you want and having knowledge in that area. And our students graduate with both of those things.
Where am I right now?
You're in the Robotics and Engineering Prototyping Lab.
What happens in here?
Well, one is school. We come in with the classes and they prototype a solution to a problem that they found. It goes from a mechanical aspect to electronics to programming. Yeah. And then the other one is robotics, which starts in the afternoon. It's a collaborative team, and they build robots like you see behind me.
So what sort of skills are students learning in this by doing that?
They learn the CNC machine, they learn design, programming, electrical circuits, everything that needs to happen in order to make a robot work.
The competition aspect of things, what are these robots designed to do?
The competition is based on 3 robots versus 3 robots, like the blue lines versus the red lines. On a competition field, imagine a size almost like a basketball-sized field, and they have to interact with each other, almost a game that they have to accomplish certain goals and get points, and whoever has the most points wins the match.
What are some of the things that you're doing in the community or over the summertime that people can be involved in or see in the community?
I do run a summer program at American Heritage, which goes all through the summer. So that can be outside students that can come in here. That helps a lot. It's important to teach, but beyond teaching is giving them the opportunity to learn. Sometimes you come across something you don't like, and that's important. Sometimes it's more important to see that you don't want to do certain things, so you don't waste your time, and regretting maybe. But go out there and try everything that you possibly can think of.
You've heard from the faculty that's excited to be able to provide the opportunity for students to learn these skills and make cool robots and everything of that sort. But it's really the students that maintain the culture and the passion and take what they find here and take it out to market in the future. And here's a student that's already doing that.
Heritage from like 9th grade itself has provided me with a lot of courses that you can pick and a lot of options and different pathways you can take. So that really helped me explore what I wanted to do in college, because at least for me, I was not really set on engineering from the get-go. I was actually split between pre-med and pre-engineering, and the sheer resources available allowed me to actually explore this, and it allowed me to end up where I am right now with a combined total of 2 biomedical engineering programs. Try everything. Like, don't just dismiss something on the first glance because you think you might not be good at it at first try, or you don't think you're cut out for the certain position. I would say just go for it. There's no limit to when you should stop trying to explore different things.